Zimbabwe National Army ZNA Brigadier Masanjala has died, becoming the third senior military officer to pass away within a space of a week. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Details surrounding Brigadier Masanjala's death remain unclear, and the Zimbabwe National Army did not issue an official statement at the time of publication. The circumstances of his death are still emerging. Zima is contributing to investigate the matter and to provide updates as more information becomes available. Brigadier Masanjala's death follows those of Major General retired Ruondo and Masvingo-based Colonel Dickson Mulilo, whose deaths were reportedly earlier this week. Major General retired Ruondo 72 died at the Harare hospital on Tuesday, while Colonel Mulilo reportedly collapsed in the early hours of Wednesday near Aminas, close to 4 Infantry Battalion in Masvingo, where he had been attacked. Sources familiar with the incident said Colonel Mulilo collapsed at around 4 a.m. At the time of his death, he had been seconded to the Ministry of Mines and Mining Development in Masvingo. The Zimbabwe National Army had not released an official statement explaining the circumstances surrounding his death. The three deaths come only days after the funeral of another senior military figure, Major General Evaristo Zwema, raising the number of senior military officials who had died in a short period. On Thursday, the Zimbabwe National Army held a military funeral parade for Major General retired Ruondo at Charles Kumbo Barracks in Harare. Commander, Zimbabwe Defense Forces General Emmanuel Matatu presided over the parade, which was attended by senior military officers, family members, friends, and former colleagues. Major General Ruondo is survived by his wife, Louise, and 3 children. Mourners are gathered at his Glenlon residence in Harare, where burial arrangements are expected to be announced. The succession of deaths has attracted considerable public attention and discussion among military observers and veterans. However, authorities have not indicated any connection between the cases, and there is no evidence at this stage suggesting that the deaths are linked. Kama developments are kuda pangwa ine pinango message media of ngure aim to be pamsoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.